Today is a very special day. Do you know why? Because today is National Sports Day. The National Sports Day is a tribute to Major Dhyan Chand Singh, who was a legendary hockey player of India. Let us know a little more about Major Dhyan Chand. Dhyan Chand was born on 29 August 1905 in Allahabad. He was called Wizard of Hockey for his excellence in ball controlling skills. He is considered as one of the greatest hockey players of all time. He earned 3 Olympic gold medals in the year 1928, 1932 and 1936. In the field of hockey, Dhyan Chand scored more than 400 international goals in his career from 1926 to 1948, and in his entire career he scored more than 1000 goals. Major Dhyan Chand was such a great player that if a ball stuck in his stick, then it used to remove after scoring a goal. For this reason, once an official broke his stick during a match just to check whether his stick had any magnet or not. Such an outstanding player. Government of India decided to honor this legendary sportsperson by celebrating his birthday as National Sports Day since 2012. On this occasion of National Sports Day, the President of India gives away the national awards to the respective winners, along with the highest sports award, which is the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award, Arjun Award and Dronacharya Award. Dhyan Chand Award is also given on this day. As a tribute to Major Dhyan Chand, National Stadium of Delhi was also renamed as Major Dhyan Chand Stadium. National Sports Day is celebrated every year on this day to spread awareness about importance of sports and games in our life, and also to salute the sports spirit of India, which holds our tricolor flag always high. Thank you for watching. Happy Sports Day!